Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the sum of a column inside of Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you've got your table here. Now to calculate the sum of your column, what we first need to do is just hover above where the table is. And now click onto that, and now we need to edit the property. Make sure this is in a number, so number format needs to be a number, and decimal place, just keep that to default and show it as a number. Then once we've done that, go ahead and click on calculate, and then from here go ahead and click on more options and then click onto sum, and now at the bottom of that column it's going to give you the sum. Also, it can calculate a lot of other things, so I can calculate the average, median, min, max, range, also percent, and also the count. So this can count all count values, unique values, count empty, and count not empty. And there is an option to show large counts as 99 plus as well. So this improves performance for large databases.